Central Virginia Locksmith, LLC. Services Central Virginia, Richmond, Petersburg, Williamsburg, Charles City, New Kent, Colonial Heights, Prince George, Surrey County, Chesterfield, Hanover, all of those places. Residential, automotive, and commercial. 24/7, 365. Today we're talking about the Kwikset reset tool. Well, not really a reset tool, it is a lockout tool. I refuse to buy another piece of metal to unlock a lock. So this is what we got here. All right. We have a Kwikset smart lock. I have a key for it. I've already rekeyed it. 27642 was the original, but no longer. Now, see if you get locked out. See this right here? They want an arm and a leg for this tool. I don't see the purpose of it. Why would you want to sell just a piece of metal? I know it could last longer, but I can make these things. I can make a whole pile of these things out of coat hangers for free. Just a pair of pliers and looking at them. All right. Right now the lock is locked. You would come in, say, boom, boom. Pull. It's going to be against the door, so it would be of no issue. Once that's done, you're in. No destruction. All from a hanger, a 5-cent hanger. Boom, boom.